In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Adobe Firefly Generative Fill to edit photos. Adobe Firefly's Generative Fill lets you remove unwanted objects, add new elements, or even expand the edges of your image using AI-powered brushes and simple text prompts. To get started, head to firefly.adobe.com and sign in with your Adobe account. Free users get a monthly allotment of basic credits, so you can try these tools without a paid plan. From the Firefly dashboard, look for the photo editing tools and choose Generative Fill. Upload the photo you want to work on by dragging it into the workspace, or click the Upload button to browse your files. Once it loads, use the zoom and pan controls to focus closely on the area you plan to edit. Getting a clear view helps the AI understand the context and helps you paint more accurately. Now select the brush tool. Paint over the area you want to remove or expand. If you need a perfectly straight stroke, hold Shift while brushing. If you paint too far, hold Alt to erase part of your selection. For additions, keep the area selected and type a short, clear text prompt that describes what you want, like add a wooden chair or replace with forest background. Then click Generate, and Firefly will create several AI variations that fit your selection and the surrounding scene. You'll see thumbnails of the results. Click each one to preview it on your image. When you find the one that blends best, click Keep to apply it. If the result isn't quite right, adjust your prompt to be more specific or more general and click Generate again. A useful tip: if you want Firefly to fill the selection using only the existing scene for guidance, leave the prompt field blank and generate a context-aware fill. You can repeat this process as many times as you like. Brush a new area on the updated image, enter a prompt, and generate again to refine or build out your edit. Zoom in to check edges and lighting so the changes feel natural. When you're happy with the final image, export your work. Download it as a PNG or JPG for easy sharing, or send it directly to Photoshop if you want to continue refining with additional tools. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Adobe Firefly tips and tutorials.